Right to correct nama MPs Mthemba lisibonile nxa esukuma esniper esita kunyararwana. That's desire for you. And what was raised in that conversation was important. Maybe please, these politicians consider that. Bakithi ubulawayo uwelwe liyeze limnyama ubulawayo ugonjolozelwe sigonjolozelwe liyeze limnyama unzima. This is a fearless noble man, an extraordinary man, ugwayi umfulo omkhulu, a noble man. Moyo, you simply departed without saying goodbye. We feel lonely, we feel robbed, powerless, empty without you. We are vulnerable without you. Mfana kamoyo, abadala bathi isitsha esihle kasihleli. You left far too soon when your wisdom was needed the most. So, as we try to fly with our broken wings and broken hearts, as we try to swim in these polluted waters, as we try to make sense of what is going on, we are aware life will never be the same again, and again, never will Bulawayo be the same without you, Mfanagiti. And we draw courage from you to face the mountain. Words ring hollow as we say our final tearful goodbye, Mfana Moyo. To you, Moyo, you left a yawning gap. You left a yawning void. You walked your journey with honor, and for that we honor you. Why? Chababa, Mabisi, Masili, by the way. Oh, why? You led a dignified life, and for that we honor you. You shared the road we walked together with ease. You were at ease sharing the bread we broke together, and for that we honor you. You accommodated our collective hopes, our collective dreams, our collective desires for a better life for all. And for that desire, we honor you. You ran a memorable race, you thrived, you left your footmark. Nothing can erase solid footprints made by a committed walker. Thank you for your strength. Thank you for the memories. Thank you for the moments. Pumula, Kwai, Fulomkulu, Chababa, Masili, Moyo, Siabo, servants of Kulu.